everybody. Out for a little ride during the week. I got No Stuck Mark in front of me, Can-Am. I got Jeff and the Razor 1000 behind me, and behind him we got Tabitha and Tim in Tim's Kawasaki, I believe it's a Teryx, older Teryx. We're just down by the border. It's the border road, going down to the old border. Just to take a look again, and then we're going to go up and tour around the Devon area. Nice fall day. We're first week of October. Been a while since I've been riding. Well, about a month, I guess, since I did the mine adventures with the quad. We haven't had a fall like this for, I bet you, 4 years. Sunny and 20 today it's supposed to be. So yesterday was 21, sunny, beautiful, but that's only supposed to last till, I think, Friday. It's gonna start raining and cool down. But like I said, we haven't had a fall like this for 4 years or more. Last year, first part of October, it snowed 10 inches and stayed. This is the old border crossing from Canada to the US, or US to Canada, depending on which side you're on. Used to be a bridge here. They called it the Outlaw Bridge. I believe because it was built illegally at the time, but then they continue to use it. Used to be a bunch of buildings on the American side. There's nothing there anymore, just slabs. I think there's 2 buildings left on this side, and they're privately owned now, so you can't go on the property. Bridge is gone, but it spans the Pigeon River. The water is super low right now. We're looking at the river on the way up. Where the old bridge used to be. That's a Pigeon River down there. It's really low. That's the US right through the trees there on the other shore. The old embankment that held the bridge.
I figured for 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Well, I never really paid attention to this. Looks like the old cable support for the bridge. Alright, for those who've never seen it, that was the old border crossing. I'll just do a quick little dip here to the side, and you can see the old building. Nothing really spectacular. Right there's an old building that was part of the border crossing. And then there's another one beside it there in the bush. We're all private. Nothing else remains. Now we're going to head up, and we're going to go up Pardee Road, I believe it is. Or no, I think we're going down, Mark wants to go to a lookout. He says there's a lookout up Arrow Road. We're going to go up Arrow Road a little ways. remember when Chris and I tried to do, and I believe Darren was there, they tried to get up Arrow Road right across to Arrow Lake, but we failed miserably. Got stopped by Beaver Dam. I broke or bent the tie rod. That was on the ATVs. I haven't been up here for a while. That was, I don't know when that was. 3 years ago maybe. About a week before moose hunting season opens, or less than a week. I don't know if anybody moose hunts up here, or might be some campers, people scouting the area. But at least we shouldn't get shot by high-powered rifles. Shouldn't. Who knows? Like to find some nice red colors in the trees. The fall colors are out in full force. Well, as good as it's gonna get. It's about 2 degrees this morning. Oh, we're getting close to winter. Parked before. Never been up this road. We parked here, but we didn't go up it. Just riding solo today. Don't have XMR Odie with me. Just gotta work. I have no life, so I can pretty much do what I want until the money runs out, and then it's all over. You gotta get out and enjoy the weather. Get out and enjoy your life before it's done. Life goes so quick, it's unbelievable. I guess this goes up. I don't know if we gotta walk up to the lookout or if this road actually goes up on top. Hopefully it goes up on top. I'm not into climbing up hills right now. Oh. real trail anyways. So far. And we continue on. I got trees. Almost getting to the Flintstone car wash, but I don't really need a car wash right now. Nice sunny day and gonna be soaking wet just from the bush. Tree branches everywhere on the side by side here. Where are we going? Looks like we're skirting the hill, or the hill off to the left. Mark says 4 low, so we're gonna go 4 low. We're going uphill, which is good.
Pardon all the flash, it's a little topsy.
There we go. To the left. Oh, looks like she's gonna get a little steep here. All the GPS lines are pretty close together after this. Or actually, no, that's the other side. According to this, we're almost at the top. Oh, she's a tight one. Hill coming up. We're on a hill now, bigger hill coming up. Oh yeah. I hope we can turn around, Mark. We got a maple right in front of the camera. That's pretty cool. Oh, she's tight. Not meant for 64-inch wide side by side, that's for sure. Now we're going on up again. moly. I didn't even see that rock. I gather we're here. Overlooking a swamp. I see a swamp down there. I hear machinery. Ah, fancy.
You recognize probably that over there for the rock?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, from the other side.
Oh, looks like they're chipping up on the ridge there, eh? Oh, nice look out here. That looks pretty cool over there with the fog rolling over the hill. You hear them. You can hear a skidder working or something. They're doing some cutting over there. Alright, now I gotta see if I can get turned around here. That was a very cool spot. Thanks, Mark. Nice big rock on the right or left side. That's what I went up. Wow. Okay. Brakes work. There we go. meet you back out on the road there. Alright, we're back to the main road. Try and blow off all these pine needles. They're filling my side-by-side up. So you got some people hunting down that road. A little foggy up here. On the hills there, still got some fog. Some kind of river crossing here. Water's way down to that river too. They were rocky. Wow. Hey, the guys were checking out the trail. There's a trail that runs up beside the river, goes up to the falls there. It's just a walking trail. They wanted to know where it was. So now we're headed back towards Devon Road, and we're going to go up Party Road. Not Party, Part D. I'm going to go up there a bit, just sightsee, explore a bit. Alright, we're back to Border Road here. Nice little chunk of land for sale here on the left, apparently. Got a nice clearing in there. Probably want a fortune for it. This is a really cool road on a bike. Hilly and lots of corners. Just gotta watch out for traffic, that's all. This little corner lot used to contain the remains of an old Thunder Bay tour boat. I think it's still there, but very collapsed. Not much left of it. We have more reds in the leaves this part of the country. Thanks for such a nice fall. That place kind of looks non-used. All kinds of little shacks around this area, and I think a lot of them are used for like summer cottages kind of thing. Old homesteads. Chicken on the road. Hunters will be hunting him. here, but I won't be climbing up there. Nice country drive. Nice loud country drive. Another cliff up here on the right too.